In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an image into Adobe Premiere Pro and place it on the timeline. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along right away. First, open your project in Premiere Pro. Once it's open, take a second to make sure you can see the key areas, the project panel where your media lives, and the timeline where you build your edit. If your workspace looks different, that's fine. Those panels might be docked in other spots, but they're always available. You'll also see the program monitor, which lets you preview whatever is on your timeline. Now switch over to your operating system's file browser. On Windows, that's File Explorer. On Mac, it's Finder. Navigate to the folder that contains the image you want to use. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and TIFF work great. If the image is stored on an external drive or a cloud-synced folder, just make sure it's connected and accessible because Premiere references the file's location. Keeping your media inside a single project folder can help you stay organized later, but you don't need to change anything right now. With your image located, click and hold on it, and you're ready to bring it into Premiere. You have two straightforward options. The first is to drag the file directly into the project panel. When you drop it there, Premiere will import the image into your project, and you'll see it listed alongside your other media. This is ideal if you want the image available for later use or plan to place it in multiple sequences. The second option is to drag that same file straight onto the timeline of an existing sequence. Hover over a video track, typically labeled V1, V2, and so on, and release the mouse where you want the image to appear. Premiere will place it at that point in time on the track you drop it on. You should immediately see the still in your program monitor and a clip lock on the track. If other clips are already there, be sure to drop it on an empty area or a higher track to avoid overwriting. That's it. Opening your project, locating the image in your file browser, and dragging it into the project panel or directly onto the timeline is all you need. Once it's in, you're set to continue editing, add effects, or position it alongside your other footage as needed. Thanks for watching.